Today I'm sharing one of my favorite summer salads. This cucumber avocado salad is fresh, creamy, packed with flavor, and comes together in just 10 minutes. It's perfect for barbecues, picnics, lunch, or as an easy side dish with dinner. Start by adding a couple of handfuls of fresh spinach to a large salad bowl to create the base. Next, chop cucumber into bite-sized pieces and add it to the bowl. Cut a ripe avocado into chunks and gently mix it with cucumber and spinach. Try not to overmix so the avocado keeps its shape. Now crumble over about 50 grams of creamy goat's cheese. If you'd prefer, Feta cheese works just as well and gives the salad a slightly saltier flavor. Squeeze over the juice of half a fresh lime. The lime brightens all the flavors and also helps keep the avocado looking fresh. Add a quarter of a cup of sour cream, then gently toss everything together until all the ingredients are lightly coated in the lovely creamy, dreamy dressing. Finish with a generous sprinkle of freshly chopped chives and season with salt and black pepper to taste. And that's it, a fresh, creamy cucumber avocado salad that's ready in just minutes. It's delicious served straight away, but you could also chill it for a couple of hours before serving if you'd like it extra refreshing. You'll find the full printable recipe linked below, along with lots more easy salad recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.